Hi, everyone, and welcome back to AWS Julie. Today, we're continuing our new series called AWS Noteworthy, where we cover a few highlights from the past week. Please remember to, and first thing I want to do is apologize. I've been MIA the past few weeks. I did move into a new state, and that move proved to be a lot more than I thought it was going to be. So I'm a little behind and I'm still trying to catch up. But let's jump in, and I want to start off this Noteworthy episode with giving a huge shout out to all the people out in the community that I'm seeing getting certified. I think that that's really amazing, and congrats to everyone. There seems to be a lot more people getting certified than usual. I'm also interested in seeing what y'all think about the new badges that AWS released last week with the bold new colors. But let's move on and let's cover launches. So there were two new launches for Lambda. First, Lambda now supports up to 10 GB for your ephemeral storage. And this is really useful when you use Lambda for ETL jobs, machine learning inference, and other data-intensive workloads. But Lambda also had a second launch for general availability of Lambda function URLs. And this new feature allows you to add HTTP endpoints to any Lambda function, and optionally also to configure cross-origin resource sharing headers. And then there was also another launch for AWS Proton support for Terraform open source. And some of you know I recently passed the Terraform Associate certification, so this launch caught my eye. And you may remember that last November, AWS announced this feature in preview, but now it's generally available in all AWS regions where Proton is available. And I also saw a lot of posts in the community about AWS summits. So those are coming. You should see more posts in the next few weeks, but I'm interested to see how many of y'all are attending these summits in person. But let's go ahead and let's dive into AWS training and what I've seen in the community these past 2 weeks, because that's really what I want to talk about. That's what I think the Noteworthy episodes are focused most on. But there were a few new AWS training community announcements. First, I saw new learning paths from Cloud Academy. So that's really amazing, and you should go check those out. But Adrian Cantrell also announced that he is starting his AWS Certified Security Specialty Certification course. And I know a lot of you in the community have been waiting on that. So that's really amazing. And I'm excited to hear the feedback. But I also want to talk about a new program for internships. So my friend Kelby launched his second class for his cloud engineering internship program. And this is great if you're familiar with Linux and networking, but this program, Kelby says, will prepare you for a full-time career in the cloud. And applications are now opening, and I've added a link, so go and apply. And then I just want to wrap up this week's episode and mention that I saw in the community again that AWS was listed as the top company to work for. And I want to do another call out and say, if you find an open position at AWS, and we have a lot of open positions that we're hiring for, please let me know. Send me the job position number, your full name, mailing address, phone number, email address, and resume, and I can refer you internally. And that wraps up another AWS Noteworthy episode. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see y'all again soon.